So in the last video, we have discussed how to create an account on LinkedIn, and I'm sure you must have created your profile on LinkedIn platform. So now onwards, we will start working on to optimize our profile. As I discussed in the previous video, that in LinkedIn, your profile matters a lot. So we have to be very careful when we are creating the profile or we are submitting the information to our profile, particularly in the LinkedIn. So let us see what are the important steps that you should keep in mind while you are on LinkedIn as far as your profile is concerned. So now I will start the process of optimizing our profile by entering the relevant information. So for this purpose, so as of now you can see it is showing just my name and no photograph and nothing else. So first let us edit our profile. So for this purpose, go to this setting here, me, and just click on the drop down menu and click on this view profile. So this is our profile that we have created, and we have to make certain changes here to make it more attractive and more useful for the LinkedIn users. So first of all, what is important, so we have to give the visual look to our profile. So this is the first element. This is called the headshot or your profile picture that we have to add here. So here please be careful when you are adding your image or picture here. So it should be a professional picture. It should not be any routine or very rock star kind of picture here. So just give a professional picture because it carries a lot of value when someone is viewing your profile on the LinkedIn. So just click on here and upload the image from your desktop or from any place where you have already saved it. So I'm using my picture here. So select the picture, click on this open button, and now you have to adjust it so that someone clearly can see your picture. If you want to crop it, you want to apply the filters, or you want to change little bit color tone, that all you can do it from here. And if you want to fit the profile picture in this circle, just try to have this zoom in, zoom out from here, or adjust it a little bit. And similarly you can just straight your picture from here like this way. So just I have added this picture and click on this save the photo, and see my picture is added here. There is no harm in using and going to the studio and to get your professional picture and then add it here. So it should be very formal picture here, as I already told to you. Now the second thing, the second visual thing in your profile is the cover photo. So just add something here which reflect your interest, your personality, or where are you working. So anything you can add from here. So it is also noticed by the LinkedIn visitors when particularly they are looking for your profile. So just to change this image, click on this icon here and upload the image. It may be on desktop or from anywhere which you have. So I'm just selecting this picture, click on this open button and try to adjust or try to zoom in, zoom out accordingly, and just click on this apply button. And all other options like filter, adjust, the color tone, these are available for this photo as well. So click on this apply button and see my background image is added here. Now let us proceed further to make our profile more meaningful. Now you see here it is giving my name and it is showing my designation here. So but we have to change, we have to modify it a little bit. So there are two things which you have to basically look for. First one, you can add any section to your profile. We will talk about it in a while. But first try to edit your profile from here if anything you want to edit. So let me show you what options are available in this case. Click on this edit button and here everything you want to change, name, last name, Now this is something very important. This is the headline. So headline is not just your designation. So it is more than that. Actually, when someone is searching for your profile or looking at your profile, so it should say something about yourself, your job, your skills, or about your personality. So we should not leave it just to the designation, and we should add few more things. For example, I'm adding here whatever is important for my profile. So let me just add few things here, and just see here I have added like academician and researcher, digital marketer, e-learner trainer at Punjab University Chandigarh. So you can add so that it appeals someone else when he or she is looking at your profile. So but leave it as it is, current position, and you can add few more positions as well. So this information we have already filled up, but still you want to change it, you can just add this information at any time. So next, give your profile URL, email ID, or any WeChat ID if you are interested to give in this one, and click on this save button. No, but still my profile is not complete, so I should invest some time to build my profile by sharing the relevant information related to me. So for this purpose, you can see, first you see here we have only just basic kind of things are available, but anything I want to add to my profile further to make it more rich, you should click on this add a profile section. Click on this one, and you will find multiple sections here. According to you or according to your choice, you can add these sections. For example, introduction section we have already added here, but still if you want to, you are looking for a new job, you can add this element as well. And then next section is about. So here it is the very important thing, you have to add the summary to your profile. So summary is not a just thing that what skills you have, but education you have. It is more than that. You should tell the story about you so that it defines your personality, what exactly or what actually you are. It should be reflected in the summary. So there are many articles so that you can search for that how to give the summary about yourself. So try to make the maximum utilization of this tab by providing a lot of information about yourself. So I have just given the summary here. Let me click on this save button. Then next thing you can see here, it is about section is now have started appearing in my profile. And what else is important, you can talk about any featured post you can pin here, any article which again is related to you or related to your industry, you can add that one. So just try to explore these options. And this thing is about your background. So wherever earlier you have worked, you can add that information. So it includes your work experience, your education, your license or certification, volunteer experience. So this is a good place to market yourself by adding the relevant information related to yourself. So make use of these sections while creating your profile here. Next section is the skills. Yes, it is very important thing. You have to add what exactly you are and what sort of skills you are having so that others can connect with you and they can have a long-term relation with you as well. So you can add this section here. It is very important here. So let me just click on the skills button. So LinkedIn will automatically detect few of the skills from your information already provided. So it is suggesting me, for example, it is seeing me the training, educational management, teaching, research, and I think up to 50 skills you can add here, but you need not to add 50 skills here. So whatever you think is important from your point of view, then you should add that skill. If any skill is not listed here, then you can just type that skill here and press the enter here, and you will be able to add that skill as well. So click on this add button. So now these skills will be reflected in my, you can see somewhere you will see in my profile as well. So this is another wonderful thing which you should make use of while creating your profile in the LinkedIn. So let us see what else is there. You can mention about your accomplishments, any publication you have, any patents you have, any course you have completed, any project you have completed, any honors and awards are there. So all these things can be listed here. So profile is just like your resume. So it will help someone else to understand you, and there can be the offering for you from another party as well. So you can give the additional information here. It is about request for recommendation. This is very useful if you have few skills, you have worked for someone, and if someone is endorsing your, you can say, skills, or someone is recommending your skills, then it will be an added advantage to you. So you can just request for your recommendation, and it is better first you give the recommendations or endorsement to others, and then you can get the recommendation in your favor as well. So these were just basic sections that you can add to your profile, and you will also find few more things so that you can just add to your profile to make it a rich profile there. So keep on updating anything in your profile, make it up to date, make it rich, and then it will definitely pay for you. So this is about your profile section. And another important thing here is edit your public profile and URL. Now, what does it mean? So as of now, if someone wants to reach to your profile, this is the URL. He has to type this URL to reach to your profile. But you see, it is little bit complicated. So you want to make it simple, then you can do it from here. So let me click on here and see, just you can edit the information, but this one, edit your customer URL. So just click on this button and you will be able to type anything here. Now that will become your URL. Now this is the URL for your profile. So you need not to send that long URL which earlier was there. So just share this URL with anyone else, and then they will be able to land on your page. Another important thing about this page is you can control that what others should see about your profile if they are not signed into the LinkedIn. Let us say someone is searching in the Google, then what you want that they should see in your profile, that can be easily controlled from here. So you can just either you can make it totally non-visible, or you can select any part from here, like this is what you want to show. So according to your profile, you can select the various options, and that way you will be able to control your profile when it is appearing in the Google search results. So let me click on the save button so that we finalized this process. So I can see the message is there that I have updated the settings successfully. So let us go back to our profile, or you can go back to, let me just, okay, so we are back here, and now see, this is what I wanted to show you. Now see our profile, this is the link or customized URL that we have created here. So let's click to the home button and we are back. So, and now you will see here, you will see a lot of information which you have edited have started appearing in your profile as well. So this was how you can optimize your profile specifically in the LinkedIn. So just invest some time, as I already said, to create your profile so that it attracts others and others can approach you if you have something to offer in the form of skills, in the form of education, or anything else there. So thank you, have a good luck, thank you so much.